Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Aphria, why Aphria went up today. I don't really know why exactly for sure, but I'll discuss it in this video, the interesting stuff that I found. I could have bought some and I could have, played a swing trade, because sometimes when a stock goes up, it goes up for a while. So, I mean, I could have bought some and then did a quick swing trade, but I didn't. Oh well, that's life. Right now, I'm kind of worried about the market. I'm still worried about the market, so, we'll see what happens though. So I want to let you know that I shorted Microsoft. I'm a little worried because I'm down. I'm losing money. I made a put option on Microsoft. I finally got my margin account, and the first thing I went out and did was I shorted Microsoft, and I put a put option on Microsoft. The put option expires on December 28, 2018. So if that put option expires, if the price does not go below 105, I lose about $2,400 on the put option, and I will lose even more money if Microsoft goes up. But a lot of people think that we're in a bear market, that we're not gonna have a Santa rally, and I'm making a gamble on Microsoft going down, and we're not having a Santa rally. So yeah, because just looking at Microsoft, right? Like the highest the stock has been is 115. I thought at 108 it was not a bad time to short. 1850 or whatever I shorted it at. 107.60. So I thought that wasn't a bad price, but the stock has went against me and has gone up. So I'm a little worried, but at the end of the day, how high can it go? Will it go back to its all-time highs of 115.61? I don't really think so, but we'll see. We'll see what happens in December. Santa rally could happen. I could lose a lot of money. I hope it doesn't. Well, I mean, I'm just bearish on the market, and I'm making a gamble on a company that didn't really get beat up too much. Microsoft might be a really safe company. Investors might not ever sell out of Microsoft. I mean, if you just look at Microsoft over the past 5 years, it's just been on an uptrend. It hasn't even had a correction yet, or at least a big correction yet. And if we're going to be having a market crash, why wouldn't Microsoft have a correction? Well, if you guys want to explain to me that I just fucked up and I'm gonna lose a lot of money shorting Microsoft and putting a put option on Microsoft, let me know in the comments below, because I would love to hear your thoughts on this. This is my first short. I'm gonna be extremely careful about playing the short shorting stocks, because I could lose a lot of money. So yeah. And I wanted to short like 50 shares, but I wasn't allowed. I had to short at least 100 shares. So, we'll see what happens. So this is, the Aphria story is so interesting. I mean, this guy comes on, he says that he's investigating the international sales, like the international markets, and he sees a lot of things wrong, and he totally expects to be in court, and he looks forward to being in court with Aphria. Somebody could go to jail for this. This guy could get into serious trouble shorting Aphria stock. But yeah, it's interesting. I can't wait until how this story plays out. If this guy is correct, it's gonna hurt the entire cannabis industry, in my opinion. But if he's wrong, the entire market might rally. So we'll see what happens. But it's very, very interesting thing what's happening on. Even after this interview, which was made 9 hours ago, the Aphria stock still rallied. It still rallied 51% today. I mean, I coulda just looked in the morning, saw Aurora rallying, saw Canopy rallying, and I could be like, oh, you know what? I think Aphria could rally, and I could have bought in and made like, I don't know, a 20% profit, a 20% swing trade for the day, but I didn't. Oh well, whatever, that's life. It's like, because of Aphria, the entire market got pushed up. I was actually thinking of shorting Aphria stock near the end, but I was like, okay, you know what? I shouldn't get greedy. If Aphria stock rallies back to $9 tomorrow, or even over $8, or even back to like $8.50, I might consider doing a short on them, because usually when the stock goes up quite dramatically and continues to go up dramatically, there's always going to be some selling off. So I want to just gamble a little bit, short Aphria stock while it's going up, to see if like I can make some money shorting it if it goes up tomorrow. I have a feeling that the stock will go down tomorrow, but if it continues to rise tomorrow, I might put a short on it, because I think I can play Aphria. Just my opinion. We'll see what happens. I might not. A little scared about shorting stock. Just what happened today. Not a good experience with Microsoft. I was thinking, we might have a red day today, but Microsoft held up and it's not falling. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. My members will be updated every time I make a short, every time I buy, every time I sell, every time I just trade in the stock market general. And yeah, every time I make a put option, every time I make a call option, everything. I will share everything in my stock market membership, regardless of me making money or losing money. Canopy growth. Like, I'm new to the shorting things. I'm new to the option trading. I might be a complete rookie. Maybe I need to read charts better. I just, never really had the patience to read charts. I mean, I kind of understand them, but sometimes I think people who read charts are just pure gambling. Because I've heard people who say, oh, this stock, will go down and then it goes up. So it's like, I don't know. I don't know, because some people are just guessing at the end of the day in charts, I think. I could be wrong though. Some people could be really good at reading charts and could correctly predict the stock market price. But if you could really correctly predict the stock market price, you'd be like a billionaire. Just my opinion. At the end of the day, I think most people are just gambling, and just my opinion. Yeah, CanTrust was up today too. I should have, I could have bought some yesterday. Would have been pretty happy today, but I didn't. I sold some stocks too early too, like Madman. I made some mistakes. I'm not perfect. Liberal Health Science, which was attached to Aphria, it had a big decline and now it's climbing. If Aphria is a legit company, this stock could rally up again. So it could rally up to $1.50, making you back 50% of your money. So I still be careful, but you could make money if you do some gambling, I guess. Not advice for you to buy or sell, just saying, right? Aurora, after hours went down 3 cents. Aurora rallied today. You still see a negative number here because the New York Stock Exchange was down yesterday, and today was kind of up. So let's see Aphria after hour. Down 7 cents. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I have a feeling that it's gonna go down tomorrow, but I could be totally wrong. Oh, see, Microsoft just scares the shit out of me. Please go down. Please go down. What's this? Oh, I don't know. This is my old stuff I have up. Yeah, Kira Leaf went up today too. Not as much as everything else, but it went up, so it makes me a little happy that I recovered some of my money on Kira. What I think, I still think we're in a bear market, so I think the stock price will decline, but I'd rather see this price go up, honestly. Acreage Holdings, I made up my mind. I'm not selling Acreage Holdings. I'm planning to buy more Acreage Holdings. So I'm hoping the stock price declines. I just don't care. I'm a long-term shareholder on Acreage Holdings. I believe in the company, especially after the news that they released today. And you know, they tout themselves as the biggest cannabis company in the United States. So I'm gonna believe in this company, and you know, they had an incredible deal today. If you watched my video earlier, Wayland had a nice pop at the end, but you know, I don't like this. I still think this company is extremely undervalued. I believe that once the facility is up and running at 100%, the GMP 800,000 square feet or 1,000,000 square feet, you know, GMP facility is up and running. I believe that this stock is going way past $1. Just my opinion. I think this stock's gonna go back to $2, $3, so you could potentially triple your money on Wayland if management executes properly. But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. The stock could just decline to, I don't know, less than $1. It's possible. I made some nice swing trade on MPX stock today. It felt good. If it declines back down to like 70 cents, which I'm hoping. If it declines back to 70 cents, I'm definitely going to be buying more of this stock for sure. And Madman, I sold Madman way too early today. I bought 2,000 shares yesterday at $3.60, and I sold out at $3.70. And then it went up on me, and I'm pissed off. I thought today was gonna be a red market. I could have waited a little bit longer on this stock, but I didn't. I got a little worried about, you know, just the market in general. I was really worried this morning. I don't know, but it went up today. I have a feeling it's going to down tomorrow, but I guess it really doesn't matter. I'm an idiot because this stock was supposed to be my long-term hold. I believe in this company in the long term. I believe in the branding long term. I don't believe in the management long term. I believe that they have a good brand, and I could have held on. I could have sold off at a better price, but no, I sold off because I wanted to take back some money, because yesterday the day before that, I went on a shopping spree, spent a lot of money, and I wanted to recover some of that money. And, you know, I lost out a little bit on Madman. So, yeah, it sucks. That's life. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I might be making a video later after I make this video. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Please give me a thumbs up. Bye.